So we've got the second video here. We're going to show you how to do a setup for two sides. So this block here, I've already opened it. I'm already into the manufacturer workspace. If you look at it and you click the little house, you can see that in its home isometric view there's a little pocket like carved into the top. If I flip this thing over and I look at it from the bottom, you can see there's a triangular pocket. So if I want to machine this, what I've got to do is I've got to have a setup for this side, and I've got to flip the whole thing over and have a setup for this side. So I'll show you how that works at this point. I'll do a setup, make sure that my box point is located in the correct spot. My X, Y, and Z axes are all going the same direction, or the correct direction rather, and make sure that my stock is no additional stock. Okay, so there's one setup. Now what I've got to do is I've got to flip this thing over, however you're comfortable doing it, and I'm going to do another setup. Now it's going to think I want the same deal. I don't. I want it over here, because I want this side to be facing up so my machine can access this triangular pocket. Here's where I get to go and play this game with these things, where I flip my axes around. Okay. My stock is okay. This setup is alright. And I'll press OK. So what you see is setup 3 and setup 4. I need a picture of this whole thing, and then a picture of this whole thing. Okay, push that little radio button under number 3 and 4, and you can change which setup is active. So screenshot that, screenshot this. Also make sure I put your name on the front of this. I did not do that in this because we already went through the expectation that you put your name with a text box on the front of all of your parts. Good luck.